Yo, what's good, creatives? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna be doing something that we haven't done in a while. We're gonna be kind of going over some teaching stuff, like a tutorial. Today, I'm gonna show you how to simply achieve the look on this photo right here, kind of like a blurry motion effect. So it's super simple. Let's dive right into it. So first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you have a zoom lens, something that can zoom from like 17 to 40, 16 to 35, 24 to 70, some type of zoom lens. And we'll talk about why the zoom lens is so important here in a second. All right, the second thing that you're going to need is you're going to have to make sure that your camera settings are right. So basically what I like to do is take my shutter speed and drop it all the way down to 1/10 of a second. What this does is it essentially takes a shot slower and it catches a little bit of a lag. As far as my aperture goes, I'll go with a 2.8 to a 4.0. Because it's just going to be blurry and out of focus anyway, so it doesn't really matter. And the reason I dropped that is because I want to make sure that I can keep my ISO as low as possible to get rid of grain and keep the clarity. All right, last but not least, number 3, basically what you're going to do is you're going to have your zoom lens all the way out at its widest focal length, and then you're just going to snap your photo. But when you do snap your photo, when you push that shutter speed down, you have to at the same time zoom your lens from its widest focal length to its closest focal length as soon as you hit that shutter button. It's gotta be on time. You gotta do it at the same time. As soon as you click the shutter, boom, zoom. And what you'll simply achieve is this motion blurry style looking photo. And I think they look super cool. They're super cool for like music artists. They're super cool for just moments with friends. It's a cool effect, I like it. Just like that, 3 easy steps and you got yourself a cool, nostalgic, kind of blurry, vibey looking pic. So that's gonna be it for me today. Little simple tutorial, and I wanna make things like that more often, things that I'm into. And that type of effect is something I'm into. So there you have it. Slap the like button if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.